Good morning, boys and girls. Are you ready for some math fluency? Let's start with our subtraction. 5 minus 5 equals 0. 4 minus 0 equals 4. 4 minus 1 equals 3. 4 minus 2 equals 2. 2 minus 1 equals 1. 2 minus 0 equals 2. 4 minus 3 equals 1. 4 minus 4 equals 0. 5 minus 3 equals 2. 3 minus 0 equals 3. 1 minus 0 equals 1. 3 minus 2 equals 1. 3 minus 3 equals 0. 1 minus 1 equals 0. 0 minus 0 equals 0. 5 minus 4 equals 1. 3 minus 1 equals 2. 5 minus 2 equals 3. 2 minus 2 equals 0. I hope you're practicing. Next week, we're going to add addition and subtraction in, so you're really going to have to watch that sign. All right, let's do a little happy counting with our numbers from 10 to 20. I'm going to start at 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job. Now I have some numbers here. Some of our teen numbers. The first one, do you know what it is? Shout it out. Good, it's the number 13. Now with my cards, I need to make that number 13. So I have my group of 10. Right here it shows the one group of 10. Do you know which of those cards I'll need to make 13? Oh, if you said 3, good for you. 13 is one group of 10, and then 3 extras, 13. Great job. Now here's my new number. Go ahead and shout it out. What is it? 17. Nice job. I have my group of 10. What number will I need to add to it to make my number of 17? Good job. If you said 7, fantastic. 17, one group of 10, one group of 7, 17. Here's my next one, shout it out. 15, great job. I have my group of 10. What other group will I need? If you said 5, nice work. 15, a group of 10, a group of 5. And here's my last one down here. What number is this? Nice job, I heard everybody yelling, 12. 12, I have my group of 10, and then I need my group of 2. A group of 10 and a group of 2. You can do this at home with a deck of cards. Take out all your groups or all your 10s for your teen number, and then go ahead and try to match it up with another number and make a new number for me. And now we have our word problem. It says, I have lots of animals in my house. I have 10 fish and 4 dogs. How many animals do I have all together? So, how many fish do I have? Do you remember? I have 10. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fill my 10 frame. A full 10 frame is 10. So I have 10 fish. How many dogs do I have? 4. So I'm going to fill in 4 into my bottom 10 frame. How many do I have all together? That means I'd have to count the fish and the dogs. So I know I have 10 because I'm just looking and I see my 10 frame is full. So I don't even have to go back and count. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I have 14 animals all together. My 10 fish and my 4 dogs. 14. One group of 10, one group of 4. 14 animals all together. See you next week, boys and girls.
Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Knight. Welcome back to another lesson for our Eastview kindergartners. How have you been doing with knowing those numbers bigger than 10? Well, let's see. Try to say them before I say it. Ready, set, go. 20. 19. Oh, take a look. I've underlined that, so think to yourself, 6. 16. That's a little hint. 18. 17. Great job. Now let's take a look at our math lesson for today. So we have been working with numbers from 10 to 20. We have what we call a double 10 frame here. So boys and girls, we have a 10 here already filled in, and I'm going to pull a number over here, a number 1. So I will put down my chip, and I have a number 1. Today I'm going to teach you a trick. So when I have the number 10 plus 1 more, you might go, oh, that's 11. 10, count on 11. Look at this trick that I have. It's called hide the 0. If I push this number 1 over to my 10, look at that. It's made the number 11 because the number 11 has one group of 10, and then there's 1, 1. All right, let's try another one. Okay, so I'm going to leave that there. Okay, let's move a card over. Oh, it's a 3. All right, so think to yourself, what would Mrs. Knight do to fill this in? Well, I already have 11, so I go 12, 13, perfect. So how many do I have all together? 10, 11, 12, 13. But if I want to do my trick, I will take my 3, move it over, and I have 13, and it makes the number 13. Remember, I love to teach you tricks in math that makes math a little easier, or even when we're doing a little reading. So let's try another one. We have 10. We'll move these off. Let's try our next number. 8. So let's do this one where we go 10, 8, plus 8 more. Let's do our trick. Move the 8, hide that 0. It makes 18. So let's see if we are correct. Let's make 18 right now, and let's double check that. We have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So that's what 18 would look like, and let's check. So that would be one group of 10. There they are, 10. And then there's 8. 10 plus 8 equals 18. Let's try another one. We'll see. We'll leave that on. See if we have 2. Ooh, 6. So I need to make sure I have 6 on this side. So I have 10 and 6. So let me make 6. 5, 6. So 10 plus 6. I wonder if you see that pattern. You say, oh, I know what it is. It's going to be hide the 0. 16. 10 plus 6 equals 16. One group of 10, and then I have 6 ones over here. Let's try another one. So in this activity, all you have to do is kind of watch Mrs. Knight. All right, let's see. I need 4 here. So 10 and 4. How much is here all together? See if you can shout it out before I tell you. Well, with the trick, we know cover the 0. It's called hide the 0. Oh, you got it. Correct. 14. One group of 10 plus 4 over here, 4 ones equals 14. We can check by counting 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Great, we have 1 more to go. Oops, I got rid of my 10, so sorry. My last one is a 5. 10, and then I make 5 here. How much is that all together? Say it before I give it to you. Snap. The answer would be, hide the 0, 15. Nicely done. So boys and girls, your extension today is, you could write your numbers, but I would like you to make some little, maybe even make some little cards with these bigger numbers and flash them to yourself. So you can say the numbers quick, 15. Or if you had this one, you would say 14. Make some cards. 16. You want to know all of these numbers in a snap to be successful in first grade. Bye-bye, boys and girls.